Hello everyone, I'm Govindraj and I have 14 years of experience into cybersecurity domain. Today I wanted to share my experience with Gosh English Academy and how their business communication course has played a key role in my professional growth. So in my role, effective communication is critical, especially when I'm dealing with international customers. Although I was technically sound, I realized that improving my English communication skill would help me in expressing my ideas more effectively and confidently. That's when I decided to join the Gosh English Academy. From the very first session, I could see how well structured and focused the course was, and the lessons were more practical, covering everything from business vocabulary to presentation skills. The instructors were really knowledgeable and very supportive. They provided me with the real world examples that I could relate it easily with my day-to-day work. One of the things I took away from the course was how to articulate my thoughts more effectively in meetings and presentations. I also learned how to write a email in a professional manner and documentations, which helped me to maintain clear and concise communication with clients and my team. So the biggest impact has been on my confidence. I feel more equipped to handle international clients and delivering my presentation and lead discussions with my senior management and the stakeholders. And these skills have not only improved my performance at work but also opened up a new professional opportunities for my in career. I would highly recommend the business English communication course at Gosh Academy to anyone looking to enhance their professional communication skills. Whether you are working in IT like me or in any other field, strong communication is always essential. So this course has definitely helped me to take my career to the next level. So thank you Gosh English Academy for helping me grow both professionally and personally. I'm grateful to the support and guidance I have received throughout the course. It's truly been a game changer for me.